welcome to Home in Peace. Here today I told you that we would be learning about how to make bread. So let's get started. Thinking along the lines of being prepared if we ever need something long term where we can't get food, or if the shelves aren't stocked. So we can realize at this point that it's possible for our grocery stores and our country to be lacking in a few places. But that's not their fault. That's just the supply and demand and the mass panic that happened over just this coronavirus. A good idea to open up the windows, especially since it's March. We're ourselves distanced from people, and some of you are like, yay, let me do this, and other people are like, this is gonna drive me crazy, this is day 2 and I don't know what I'm gonna do. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna try this with me. We're gonna try making bread, and it's not just 1 loaf of bread, we're gonna make 3 loaves of bread so that you can do it all at once and you don't have to do it every single day. So if I may have to do this. So we just put in 4 cups of warm water.
See, I'm not used to these whole, I don't have a truck. I kind of overdid that. So, okay. So you just, as you can see, I'm just gonna sprinkle it into the bowl. I feel like this might turn into one of those videos that everyone's like laughing at. So, so let's then add warm water, sprinkle yeast over water, add salt, sugar, and butter. So remember, it's 1 tablespoon of salt. All of these are tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 salt, 2 yeast, 3 butter, shortening, 4 sugar. So, oops, it doesn't have to be exact. So, here that is. You can't see the bowl, but I'm putting it in there. Okay, and then 1 tablespoon. Remember, it's 1 salt, 2 yeast. It doesn't have to be exact. And 3 shortening. I mean, you could use lard if you wanted to. I don't know how long lard lasts. It's just cheaper to use Crisco. So you're gonna save more money. Crisco. And then your sugar. Sprinkle that over the yeast. That'll help feed it, and that'll actually help it grow. Having these 6 ingredients is basically you can make whatever you want. All right, so what we have here now is the yeast is starting to do its work in the water, and I want to show it to you. You can see it's starting to foam just a little bit. That's good. That means your yeast is working. So now we're gonna add the flour. There we go. Shake it so it kind of evens out there. 2, 3, oops, 4. Now you just want to whisk that. Remember, 300 times, count it. He says it to do it rigorously. So it's an arm workout, that's for sure. Whew. Seriously, like I counted it one time and I was like, oh, 300 reps. I gotta do 150 on the other side so that my triceps don't look goofy on one side. Seriously, tricep workout right here. We're good. All right, so here is my cake batter like consistency. All right, so now we're at the point where we're gonna add in the rest of the 5 to 6 cups of flour. All right, so I recommend taking your ring off. Just remember that you took it off and set it. Can you say hi?
Hi, my name is Jeremiah.
Thank you. To bake, or she grew up doing it in reality. I didn't know how to boil noodles in college. All right, so I just oil the bowl, just a little bit of oil, just a tip. There you have it. So just let that rise for about an hour, and then I will see you back later. All right, now all we have to do is preheat the oven to 350. Let's go check on that bread. As you can see. All right, so now we just need to grease each pan. All right, so I finished greasing the pans, separated those into 3 sections. One I'm gonna turn into pizza dough. Get all those air bubbles out. Roll it up. Over. Tip. Plop it in. Okay. Cover that. Let it rise for, I'd say for, what did I say? 20 minutes. So, oven is preheating. So you can see that this loaf is about an inch above the rim and the other one's pretty close. So that means you're gonna wanna put it in now. It's about ready. You don't wanna let it rise too much or else it'll go over the top. All right. So, what that pretty thing looks like. I'm gonna put it in the oven here. right, so my loaves got stuck underneath the rack, so we are going to, they're not fully done, so 27 minutes, put in for a few more minutes here. All right, there's our bread loaves.